So, you want a VTuber model, but you don't have a graphic tablet or any talent at all. And worst, you're very fucking broke. And that shit is fucking expensive. And because I was broke, I had to find a way to actually learn rigging, and I already knew like the art part. I just had to learn a few new things. I'll tell you my little secret on how to turn any character into a VTuber model with just your PC and your phone. But if you fucking want, you can use your PC, just your PC, you know. That's fine. Totally fine. But I'm gonna be using my PC and my phone because I'm not very good with my mouse. I'm better with my hands. So, and by the way, this model is going to be entirely free. You just have to you just have to like choose what character you want to go. Like you wanna turn into a VTuber model. Step 1 is, it's quite obvious. Like you're gonna have to choose what character you want, right? So I will be going for Nezuko from Demon Slayer because she's cute as fuck. Do I even have to say this? Step 2 is to look for a good quality picture. Unfortunately, it's very hard to find a good quality picture, especially when you're trying to go for like full body. But if you can, you can. If you can't, I guess you're fucked. You're gonna have to go with like very blurry model. Like that's what you're gonna get. Because my model, like the one that I'm doing, the Nezuko one, turns out to be a little bit blurry, especially like the clothing and everything, because I was too lazy to touch it up and everything. But I think there are apps, there are softwares that you can use to like make it better quality, so that would help, but I don't know any because I didn't use any for this video. You're gonna have to go for one, like a picture with a transparent background. And even if you can't find like a transparent background, you can go for one with white background and then remove it with a background remover. It's up to you. You can do whichever. And also, if you want better quality, I mean, it depends. Like, because you're gonna be using like the free version of Live2D Studio. Is it Live2D Studio or just Live2D? I forgot. Well, if you're gonna be using Live2D, the free version of Live2D, you're gonna have to go for like, you're gonna be very limited, you know, with like movement and like, I forgot how. Okay, well, it's just, you know, you're just gonna be very limited. So unless you want to pay, then, you know, good for you. But this video is going to be entirely free. So step 3 is to cut the picture into several parts and in different layers. Think of it like a paper doll, I would like to say. Like, you know, cut the arms, cut the sleeves, like, I think if you can see in the video. The trick here is to duplicate the original layer and cut out the part that you don't need. Let's say you need to do the head. Cut out the head and use the eyedropper tool to get the exact color of the head. And trace the face shape. Lastly, fill it with the bucket tool. The head is usually the most demanding part if you're planning to make a very simple model with not much going on. The rest should be quite easy, as you simply have to cut it into several parts, would make moving the model left and right easy. Step 5 is obviously to export all the layers as PSD files and drop them in Live2D. And then step 6, rig it. I'm gonna be having another video on rigging your model in Live2D, but we're gonna keep this video very short. If I can try to explain as much as I can, I will try to, but step 5. Yeah, like I was saying, test it out on VTube Studio. Like, don't forget to do that, because I mean, obviously you're gonna be doing it, but like, just remember when you're going to be exporting that model to VTube Studio, it's gonna be bad. You're gonna be missing something, because obviously I do that all the time. Like literally, like this time I literally exported it and then the hair was clipping with the fucking, not clipping, it's more like it was going onto the clothing when it wasn't supposed to. So you just have to be, you know, blah. And voila, you're done. I'll be posting another video probably on like very very easy rigging. Like it probably takes you like 1 hour for the eye. It sounds a lot, but it's not that much, because the face usually has most of the rigging. For the body, usually it's not very difficult, it's just for the face. I'll be doing like very easy, super fucking easy rigging for everything on my next video. So don't forget to lick the subscribe button for me, cause I need it. I just started. I would like some support. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.